When you search for the best new Citizen watches, everything looks the same. Same style, same claims. But to really understand what sets them apart, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Eco Drive Weekender Bryson. Let's kick things off with the Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Bryson chronograph. Priced at $189, this watch caught my eye with its sporty yet luxurious vibe. If you want a stylish timepiece that can handle a bit of adventure, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a 1/5 second chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes, giving you precision timing whether you're timing a run or just want to look sharp at the office. The luminous hands are easy to read, even in low light, which is fantastic if you're out at night. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so you don't have to worry about splashes or rain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines functionality with style, meaning you can transition from boardroom to beach without missing a beat. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 4,000 reviews, it's clear people are loving this one. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it felt a bit heavy for daily wear. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a watch that feels substantial and durable on your wrist, this might actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a watch that balances both sportiness and sophistication. Skip this one if you prefer something more lightweight or minimalist. Honestly, for $189, you're getting a solid value here. Now, if that weight issue bothers you, the next watch takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Classic Quartz Two-Tone. Next up is the Citizen Quartz Men's Watch in a classic two-tone design, priced at just $99. This watch really stood out to me because of its elegant look and affordable price. If you're after a timeless piece that you can wear for any occasion, this is a solid contender. The two-tone stainless steel case and bracelet give it a refined aesthetic, while the blue dial pops with gold-tone hands and indices, making it easy to read. It's battery-operated, which means you won't have to fuss with winding it up. Water-resistant up to 100 meters, it's perfect for every day, wear without the worry of water damage. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, folks are clearly impressed. Here's why this matters for you. You get a stylish watch that's both functional and durable without breaking the bank. Now, some customers mentioned that the clasp can be tricky to adjust. Here's the take. If you're someone who likes a perfect fit, this could be a bit frustrating. But once it's set, it's a great watch. This watch is perfect for you if you enjoy a classic look with modern features. Skip this one if you prefer a more sporty design. Honestly, at $99, it's a fantastic deal for a watch that looks this good. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for classic enthusiasts. Product number 3, Quartz Classic with Black Dial. Next, we have another classic from Citizen, this time with a striking black enamel dial, priced similarly at $99. I found this design really eye-catching and perfect for those who like to stand out while keeping it classy. If you want a watch that's both unique and timeless, this is worth considering. This watch features a sturdy silver tone, stainless steel case, paired with a black dial that's complemented by luminous hands and indices for easy visibility. It's not just stylish, it's also practical, being water-resistant up to 100 meters. The snap-on case back allows for personal engravings, adding a touch of personalization. With a rating of 4.7 stars, this watch has garnered positive feedback for its design. Here's why this matters for you. It's a fantastic option if you want something that's a bit different from the crowd, while still being reliable. Now, some users mentioned that the black dial can be harder to read in dim settings. Here's the thing though, if you often find yourself in well-lit environments, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This watch is perfect for you if you want to make a statement without sacrificing functionality. Skip this option if you need something that's ultra easy to read in all lighting. At $99, you get a stylish timepiece that won't let you down. Alright, if that design didn't resonate with you, the next watch might just hit closer to home. Product number 4, Simple Classic. Coming in at number 4, we have the Citizen Quartz Men's Classic Watch, available for just $85. This one is all about simplicity and elegance, making it a great choice if you prefer a no-frills look. If you want something that's easy to wear every day without extra fuss, this is definitely worth your attention. It features a clean design with a 40mm case diameter, which is perfect for a comfortable fit on most wrists. The watch is battery operated, so you don't have to worry about winding, and it's also water resistant, making it suitable for everyday use. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 4,000 reviews, it's clear this watch is popular for good reason. Here's why this matters for you. It's a straightforward option that offers reliability without any distractions. Now, a few reviews pointed out that it might feel a bit plain for some users. Here's the truth. If you're after a watch that stands out, this might not be your top pick. However, if you appreciate understated elegance, this is perfect. This watch is great for you if you want something simple yet stylish. Skip this if you're looking for something with more flair. Honestly, for $85, it's a great value for the quality you're getting. Now, if you're looking for something that adds a bit of flair, the next one will certainly catch your eye. Product number 5, Casual Leather Strap Watch. Finally, we have the Citizen Quartz Men's Casual Watch with a leather strap, priced at $94.96. This one really caught my attention because of its relaxed yet stylish vibe. If you prefer a watch that feels a bit more casual and comfortable, then this is definitely worth a look. The round silver tone case features a crisp white dial with stick indices and luminous hands, making it a breeze to read. The Croco embossed leather strap adds a touch of luxury while keeping it comfortable on the wrist. This watch is also water resistant up to 50 meters, which is decent for everyday activities. With a rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews, people love its casual elegance. Here's why this matters for you. You get a stylish watch that's easy to wear for any occasion without compromising on comfort. Now, some have noted that the leather strap may not be as durable as metal alternatives. Here's the thing. If you're someone who prioritizes comfort over everything, this might not be a deal breaker. This watch is perfect for you if you want a stylish, casual look. Skip this if you need something super rugged. Honestly, at just under $95, it's a great balance of style and comfort. In conclusion, we've seen some fantastic options today, from sporty styles to classic elegance. There's something in this list for every taste and occasion. So, we've explored 5 great Citizen watches today. Whether you're drawn to the sporty Eco Drive Weekender, the classic two-tone, or the relaxed leather strap, there's a fit for every wrist and every budget. No matter which one you choose, you're investing in quality that Citizen is known for, and you can't go wrong with any of these.